Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Everyone keeps telling you that AI is moving too fast to keep up with. Wrong. The problem isn't the speed. The problem is the 90% of AI creators are covering the same 5 stories and the same exact way. And your brain is starting to tone it out. I have watched hundreds of hours of AI content this year and I have found 6 psychological patterns that the top AI creators use to make you stay, share, and come back. None of them are about the AI, all of them about your brain. Let's go. Your viewers' brains makes the decision, not them. Here is the thing most AI creators don't want to know. Your viewers doesn't choose to watch your video, their brain chooses it for them. And it happens in a second. When someone is scrolling, their brain is running 3 rapid filters before they are even conscious of it. 1. Have I seen something like this before, actually enjoyed it? 2. Is something unexpected happening right now? 3. Does this have anything to do with me and my life? If the answer to all the questions is no, they are gone. This is exactly why original never been done before content fails so often. When a brain encounters a format it's never seen, it doesn't get excited, it gets confused. And confusion is a scroll. When you use a format the brain already recognizes, a hot take, a breakdown, and are they lied to you about X? The brain goes, I know this, I like this, let me watch. There is a name for this, the mere exposure effect. The mere exposure effect. The more familiar content feels, the more the brain trusts it. The more the brain trusted it. The more the brain trusts it. So stop inventing new AI content formats. Find what's already pulling views, put your AI anger inside that structure. Second, the curiosity trap. The second thing I have seen AI creators do wrong every single time is leading with the topic in the hook. Today I am covering GPT-5. Here is what dropped in AI this week. The second you do this, the brain categorizes you as a news feed, and people don't subscribe to news feeds. They skip them. Here is what works instead. There is a mechanism in the brain called the curiosity gap. When your brain senses the distance between what it currently knows and what it wants to know, it creates actual discomfort, like a mental itch. Your viewer's brain will not let them scroll away until that itch gets scratched. So, the best AI hooks are never about the model or the update. They are triggering curiosity, disbelief, or identity. The AI tool that 3 million developers are quietly switching to, that's a gap. OpenAI just admitted something that breaks the narrative about AGI, that's a gap. Put gap in your first 2 seconds and your viewer is committed to watching. Close it. Close it too early and they leave. That's the balance. Step 3. Nobody cares about the AI. Nobody cares about the AI. They care about themselves. There is a concept called means and chain theory. Means and chain theory. Every piece of content, every product, every idea has 3 layers. Layer 1, what it is. The AI model, the tool, the update. Layer 2, what it does. Faster outputs, better reasoning, cheaper API. Layer 3, what it means to the person watching, their identity, their emotional life, their fear to being left behind, or their excitement about being ahead. Most AI creators only ever talk about layer 1 and layer 2, but your viewer's brain lives in layer 3. So ask yourself, why does someone actually care about this story? GPT-5 is a faster. Okay, faster means more productivity, which means more control over their work, which means they stop feeling like human, which means they stop feeling like AI is replacing them, start feeling like it's working for them. Now you are making content about agency, not just an AI, not just an API update. When your content speaks to identity, not features, the viewer doesn't feel informed, they feel understood. And that is the difference between a viewer and a subscriber. 4th step, credentials in the first 2 seconds. Crave attention. Your brain is wired to crave attention. That's not a flaw, it's biological. Their brain doesn't have time to evaluate every creator it encounters, so it takes shortcuts, and the biggest shortcut is authority. When you drop our credentials in first 2 seconds, it AI tools this month, or I built automations for 7-figure companies, or I have been tracking this tool since its first API drop. The brain doesn't verify it. It just accepts it as a reason to keep watching. This isn't manipulation. This isn't a manipulation. This is how attention always worked. You are an AI educator. You have credentials. Use them earlier. Don't bury your authority at the end of the video. Nobody funny finished. Put it in the first 10 seconds. Because the first created the brain trust is the one it comes back to. Step 5. People don't share what they like. They share what makes them look good. This is brutal and honest. The content that gets the most shares is not the content people enjoy the most. It's the content that makes them look smart, ahead of the curve, or like they are plugged into something others are not. So when you are designing an AI video, the question is not will they like this, the question is will sharing this make them look good to their audience. You are not trying to impress the viewer, you are trying to impress the viewer's follower. Think about the AI content you have personally shared. It's probably something that made you feel like you discovered it first, or something that made you look like you understand the space better than. So design for that. Make your hook explainable in one sentence. Give them a clear, shareable instant in the first half of the video and trigger one of the 3 sharing emotions: surprise, humor, or I can't believe this. This is real. Sadness and frustration can get views, but they don't spread. Excitement and disbelief do. Hijack attention with story structure. Last one, it ties everything together. When people understand a story, they stop arguing with what they are hearing. Their critical thinking slows down, their emotional processing takes over. That is the best state for a viewer to be in when your instant lands. Every video I make now follows the same skeleton: hook, problem, story, payoff. Hook triggers curiosity or identity in 2 seconds. Problem, tell them what's broken or misunderstood. Story, show the before and after, a model's failure, a creator's pivot, a company's collapse, or a comeback. Payoff, give them the instant, make it clear, make it one sentence. Structure works because it mirrors how the brain naturally processes information. And edit tight. Every millisecond of dead space trains your viewer to leave. Captions are not optional when audio and visual align. You activate 2 natural pathways at once. Retention goes on, watch time goes on, and algorithm notice. I will back next week with biggest AI updates, product launch, and industry moves that actually matters. Till then, stay curious, keep building. I'll see you next week.